Hi guys, it's Technology Laura, and today's tech tool is wheelofnames.com. So I want to show you how you can add all of your students' names into this spinning wheel. So I will use a fake class list of Disney characters. So I will type all of their names. I also will add a free choice, and I will include my name as well, so I'm part of the questioning. So once you add all of your students' names, you're going to go ahead and save because that's important. So you can save as random name generator, and then you can customize this as well if you want to use different backgrounds, different colors, the sound, if you want it to have no sound, whatever you like. The spin times to actually make it a little bit shorter just to quicken up the time between each spin. Okay, so if we have all of this, we go ahead and click on full screen and then you click to spin. And so this is the time when you would be asking your question. Question 1, Donald. Question 2, Pluto. And that's how you can integrate Wheel of Names. I think some great ideas would be to add your class roster, get to know you games, math facts. I see this used across all content levels and grade levels. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for additional EdTech tips and tools. Thank you.